we feel demotivated and stuck in our journey, so at least you have to learn one skills so you can describe with front of other. We should be always consistent in our journey. And hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, today I would like to talk about a very important topic, which is whenever we try to learn something new, it could be any skills and it could be any work. Whenever we want to reach at our goal, so somewhere we feel demotivated and stuck in our journey. So that time, how should we keep motivated ourselves? So sometime uh, everyone feel demotivated. So guys, I want to talk about this topic because if I talk about me, like earlier, whenever I started my journey in 2025, so many time I feel give up because that time I thought I think English is very tough for me and I can't learn this language. But I keep motivated myself in my journey, and now uh, you can see my result. And it is not like that I am a very fluent in this language and I can say myself professional. I just call myself beginner because I am a beginner, but I just try to express my thought in English. So that's why I make my video, because guys, this is the purpose of when because I don't do any practice like there is so many YouTubers in like conversation video with each other, and they make session there, so they do this type of practice. But I don't make this type of video. So sometimes I just thought I make my video which thought in come in my mind, so I can share with my audience, because if these things can help me, so I should share with my uh, audience too, and it can help to other. So guys, whenever I feel demotivated and give up in English journey, so I just said earlier, it could be anything. So guys, I just start my journey in 2025, as I said in my many video which I uploaded in my channel earlier. So uh, many time I felt give up. Because why? Because that time I thought this is not my cup of tea, and I think English is a very vast subject language. You can say everything. So that time I thought, but I always try to motivate myself, because of if I don't have any skills in my life, so I think how can I explain about myself some two line. So that's why that time I thought, and I keep motivated myself, at least you have to learn one skills so you can describe with front of other, you have some skills. So guys, that's why I keep motivate like this. And now you can see right now I'm little bit comfortable to talk with front anyone and front of camera. So guys, I'm not say I'm fluent yet, and I still do so many mistakes grammatically, and so many things. But I just try to keep pushing myself every day ahead and try to learn something new, because many time I feel demotivated. But if we are get stuck here, so we can't reach at our goal. It could be any goal, so we should be always consistent in our journey, and later you see a drastic change in your journey and which goal you want to achieve, so you can achieve. Because guys, everything is possible in this world. Just we thought many time, I think I can't do it, and everyone can do everything. But just the thing is, we should always keep motivate ourselves. So guys, what I want to share with you, just like I just started my journey in 2025, but in middle of month I skipped so many, I think I skipped so many time. But I never forget to do continue this journey. I never forget, because if I that time forgot, so I think I can't say uh, this much English here in front of you. So just keep motivate yourself, and if you don't motivate yourself by own, so I think no one is going to help you, and no one is going to push ahead, and they are not going to help you to achieve your goal. Because whenever we manifest anything, so I think we have to work upon uh, any particular things, because no one is going to help you. So we should focus on our journey, and later we can see the drastic change, and that time you feel, if I give up that time, so I think I must be not here today. So that's why guys, like me, you should be always motivate, because sometime I feel always demotivated, but I thought that time immediately, if I don't have any skills, and especially which skills I learned in these days, English. So I think I have nothing, because uh, I have a degree, and I do masters, and anything which degree I have. But that does not matter, because if you don't have any skills in this era, so I think types of degree you have. Because if you are not a good communicator, so degree can't define your what can I say. I mean, right now I'm not getting right word to say. But guys, this thing always happened with me whenever I try to speak in English, and I want to say something, any particular thing. So it just happened, because I'm also beginner, so that I'm not getting right word to say. But I can say myself, mm, I can say I just learning so many things every day, and that can help me to reduce my fear, which is I have still. So guys, I just want to share these all things. You should never feel demotivated. Yeah, sometimes you feel give up because English is not our native language, and it is not our regional language. So we are come from a different areas and state. So we have our regional language. So we just should focus every day to learn something new little bit, and uh, it's take a year, and it can take a month. But in last time you can achieve, because if you are consistent in every journey, so consistency is key of any success. So guys, that's all for today. If you feel demotivated, so guys, keep watching my video because I'm a just learner like you. But I love to speak all things in English, because I don't know why guys. Earlier I want to learn this language, but that time I thought, I think I can't learn this language. But now if I talk about right now, so now I love this language, because of why, because I learned so many things in this language. So that's why I feel little bit confident. So that's why I love this language. And now I get more I get more enthusiastic to learn this language. So that's why guys, if you enjoy your journey, and you if you don't feel bored any journey, so especially in English, so you can achieve your goal. Because earlier you may hate this language, but later you love this language. If you learn something new in a daily basis, and if you can convey your thought front of other, so later you love this language. And this language can change, this language can change your career and your personality too. So guys, that's why I work upon this every day, and I try to give my best. And also I have some another work too, because I have to do also other study. So that's why I can't focus properly in this language. But if I have proper time to learn this language, so I think I will be definitely soon be fluent, because I have another work too. So guys, but just I every day keep in my mind to do my best in this language. Whenever I come across some new word, uh, and come cross every day some new words. So that time I search on Google and try to inculcate this word in my speaking journey and try to inculcate new habit. So guys, I think that is enough for today, because I think you feel bored right now because of my lecture. But guys, I just want to share my all things. Sometimes I express my thought in a flow, and sometimes I stuck many times and I can't explain what I want to say, what I want to say in front of you. So guys, I know I do still so many mistakes here and there, but guys, I think we should not judge anyone because it's their own journey. And later, everyone, if know the basic and all grammatical process of this language, so they can do better in later. So guys, that is all with me too. So guys, if I do any mistake in this video, so keep guide me and do like, share, comment, subscribe my channel for more, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.